So hello guys, welcome to your own channel Tech Programming CSIT. So in this video I'm going to tell you about some of the best IDEs which are integrated development environment which you can use to do coding. But why do we need these IDEs? The main reasons that we need these IDEs because they make our work so easier. So they make our life so easy and they make our coding work so pleasurable. So that's why IDs are important. They makes our work so easy than ever before. So that's why we need IDs. So now let's talk about them, which are the best IDs. So firstly, let's start our topic. So in this video I'm going to tell you about some of the best integrated development environment which you can use to do coding in Python, Java, C++ and many more languages. So firstly I'm going to talk about the PyCharm language which is best for the Python. Okay? Now PyCharm IDE is best for the fresher who really wants to pursue Python programming language. It is very customizable. You can do so many customization that it is really a great thing to do and easy to install. It is really easy to install, and when you start working on it first time, it doesn't like you cannot do work on it. It feels like so easy and your work becomes so easier than before. Now the best thing about it is available on both Windows and Mac and most of the operating system, and the best thing about this IDE is that it is really easy to use. And now next IDE is for Java programming language. If you want to do Java programming language, you can use IntelliJ by JetBrains. The PyCharm and IntelliJ both are from JetBrains, so you can use any one of them. If you are using Python language, then you can go for the PyCharm, and if you are using Java language, you can go for the IntelliJ. Now it is easy to use, customizable IDE just like the PyCharm IDE. You can install many themes in this and it makes your life so easier. It is also available for most of the operating systems like Windows and Mac and those kind of things, so that would be really great. Okay, now the third IDE which I'm going to talk about is the Microsoft's Visual Studio Code. This is the one of the best IDEs in the world. The best thing about it is that you need not to install so many IDEs for different languages. That I said you that you can install PyCharm for Python and Java for IntelliJ for doing Java programming language. But there's nothing like that. You can just use this single IDE for doing programming in Python, Java, C++, and many more languages. So you can say that everything is just in this single IDE, but you need to to get the packages of those things and just integrated the language and connect it to this so that you could pursue the coding and you can do further coding also. And I would say that this is not that easier to use as compared to the Java or as compared to the IntelliJ or the PyCharm, since you have to do a lot of stuff because you are not only doing a single programming language in this, you are working on so many programming language. You can work on so many languages, so there are a couple of settings which you need to make, and when you start working it and as you work more and more on it, it becomes easier for you to work on it. So these were the three best IDs which I also prefer and I also use, and you can also use to if you are a beginner, then they would really help you. And in the next video we're going to bring some of the best content about the programming related and science, IT, CS related things. So we'll meet you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and we'll meet you in the next video, and until then, bye bye.